Well, as you can see by the thing not in the bike and on the floor, we got it. Yamaha, or whatever engineer that designed Yamahas, watch out mate, I'm going to brutalise you when I find you. Like, to get up, like literally, everything's had to come up, everything, the whole panel, this, that, just to get down there to there. Even when I had everything loose, the airbox was a nightmare to lift out. It was real horrible with such tight tolerance fits down here, like just everything's been crammed in. Not only that, but we found this one here and this bolt here, they were just lying down there, just on the engine, which a bit concerning. These ones are a bit loose as well, bit concerning. Not such a great bike after all, Yamaha. No, it's finally out. I mean, I'm not going to open yet, but it does not feel right. But that's enough for today. Break time.